Hello and welcome. My name is Raj Kevlani. I am from Vilas Javadekar Developer. Let me take you to the quick tour of our new project Yashwant Sukh Niwas. This is 2 BHK sample flat of 679 square feet of carpet. So this is the entrance. All your entrances are east and west. We have installed pre-hooks for your torrents and there is a video door for security. No, you can see all your guests from the screen, whosoever comes. So this is how we enter inside the apartment, and this is our huge living area. So living area mein if you see there is lot of natural sunlight coming in, and there is a space for 5-seater sofa. So opposite to the sofa now you can see the TV point. You can place all your TVs here. Even if you have a big screen, you can have your TV installed here. And this is outdoor sit out area, covered sit out. This is going to be a very big 9 by 5 size. You can have your yoga and meditation here. We have also provided you ledge for coffee mugs, and at the same time you can charge your mobile also, and there will be your glass railing will give you a premium look of building. So all your terraces are placed towards the outward direction to have a natural sunlight inside the house. So this we have covered the living area. Living may we have given low level switch points, so you can charge your mobiles also, and we have also provided you USB points, good for IT guys. And this is the dining area. So dining area say now you can at the same time watch the TV, as well as from living area you can watch the TV. So dining is close to the kitchen. So this is how we enter towards the kitchen. Kitchen mein good point is we have parallel platform kitchen. So this is your cooking platform, and this is going to be your serving platform with dedicated space for microwave, OTG and refrigerator. And cooking platform will have a space for fruits and vegetable sink, and we have a dry balcony. In dry balcony you have a utensil sinks. So kitchen is also placed towards the outward direction. Now at the same time you have lot of natural air and light ventilation coming in the kitchen. We have also provided a space for washing machine, and there is a vertical space for to keep your brooms and extra items, good for storage purpose. Kitchen is designed in a flexible architecture. You can knock off this wall, and at the same time home minister who is doing the cooking, and they can watch their serials. This wall we can remove it, and this wall also we can remove it, and have a open Italian kitchen platform. That can be done with the innovative feature of flexi architecture, only provided by VJ developers. So this is your common washroom. So we can also have a provision to shift our main door towards this direction. This is common basin, and this is your washroom area. So that's the shower area, that's a commode area. CP and sanitary are provided by Grohe and Toto brand, so which is very unique brand, good brands. And there's a space for inverter. Loft is provided by developer. Inverter is also provided by developer with 3 light and 1 fan. So you have a good light backup point also. This is the master room. So master room will come with the feature of cross ventilation. So there are 2 windows placed, and this is the space for sit out. So this is the granite platform. At the same time you can enjoy the view of terraces. We have also provided low level switch with the USB point, innovative feature. And this is your TV point. All your bed direction are not placed towards the north, which is very good for Vastu. And this is your washroom area. So washroom area ka door is in the center. If you want to place the door in the corner, that can be done with the help of flexi architecture. You need to inform us before. This is the basin counter with a separate provision for hair dryers, shower area and commode area. There is a window also with the provision of exhaust fans. So that's a master room. This is very beautiful place of the master room, which is a private balcony. So on even floor, we have 5 by 5 ka private balcony, and this is post-COVID design. So on odd floor, we have utilized this room as a office space. So at the same time, you can use this space as a work from home, or someone who wants to have their walk-in wardrobe. This is good for them as well. So this is how we explain about the master room. All your doors are factory fitted laminated doors, and all your bathroom doors are waterproof doors. So let me take you to the another room, which is kids room. So this is kids room. Kids room is 10 by 10 size, and for privacy we have kept master room on the one side and kids room on the another side. There's a space for ledge, so at the same time you can have your kids sit out here and watch the garden views. And this is low level charging points, bed to be placed, and this is the wardrobe space. So wardrobe to be kept inside the niche space, so that आपका बेडरूम का सेंटर एकदम स्क्वायर दिखेगा, कहीं पे भी आपको डेड स्पेस नहीं दिखेगी. एंड किड्स के लिए अगर आप बंक बेड डिज़ाइन करते हैं, सो यहाँ पे बंक बेड प्लेस हो जाएगा और नीचे की स्पेस आपको प्ले के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी मिलेगी. सो किड्स के लिए भी नाउ यू कैन हैव अ गुड स्पेस. So this is 2 BHK of 679 square feet, Yashwant Sukhnivas by Vilas Javadekar Developers. If you are seriously looking for a good deal, don't miss the deal, because project is in the IT Park of Pune, which is in Hinjewadi Phase 1. प्रोजेक्ट का जो 2 BHK का प्राइस है सिर्फ 53.95 से लेके 57.45 के बीच में ऑल इंक्लूसिव मिल जाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर लकी यू विल ऑल्सो गेट नो प्री-marital possession. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to call our sales team. We will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much.